infant formula company Mead Johnson is celebrating 120 years in Evansville. Founder Edward Mead Johnson was born in 1852. The company on Evansville's west side currently employs 800 workers. A steel repair project is coming to the southbound Twin Bridge. The Kentucky Transportation Cabinet says a contractor plans to begin the work on the span between Evansville and Henderson September 8th. It's not yet clear how it will impact traffic. Vanderburgh County Commissioners have approved new regulations on golf carts on county roads. The new ordinance allows the carts only within residential subdivisions and under strict safety and insurance requirements. Sheriff Noah Robinson says the rules strike the right balance. More on these and other stories at news.wnin.org.